define and add stirrups. Then, define the diameter, spacing, and length for the top stirrups. Click this button to define the same parameters for the stirrups on the other side of the opening. Define the maximum stirrup length. Automatically switch between open and closed stirrups if needed. Define more advanced parameters for opening stirrups in the Expand tab. Define the creation of trombone-shaped rebars. Tick to auto-calculate the length, or type to input a value. Define the minimum and maximum length for using trombone-shaped rebars. Define to apply for vertical rebar. Add one layer of additional rebar for the opening. Define the quantity and diameter. Define the overlap length. Define the same parameters for the other sides of the opening. Add more layers if needed. Define the minimum opening size to create additional rebars. Automatically bend additional rebars to avoid collisions. No additional rebar for small openings. To stop additional rebars at the slab, tick this checkbox. Add diagonal rebars for openings. Define the quantity and diameters. Define the overlap length. Define the same parameters for the other sides. Define the minimum opening size to create diagonal rebars. Automatically bend rebars to avoid collisions. No diagonal rebar for small openings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.